Imagine a world where your money grows while you sleep, where your investments are aligned with your values, and where you can start investing as early as you wish. Ever wondered, how young can I be to start investing? Or maybe you've heard about Raiz and thought, is this something I can do? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Raiz and answering the burning question, how old do you have to be to have a Raiz account? Before we get to the age limit, let's talk about Raiz for a bit. It's a micro-investing app that makes investing accessible and affordable. You can set aside small amounts of money regularly, and Raiz will automatically invest it into a diversified portfolio. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Age restrictions. Now, let's get to the main event. The age requirement for a Raiz account depends on where you live. Here's a breakdown. Australia, 18 years old. New Zealand, 18 years old. Malaysia, 18 years old. Singapore, 18 years old. United States, 18 years old. Why the age limit? You might be wondering why there's an age limit. Well, it's primarily due to legal and regulatory reasons. Each country has its own laws governing investments, and these laws often have age restrictions in place to protect minors from making financial decisions they might not fully understand. Benefits of early investing. Even though there's an age limit, it's important to start investing as early as possible. Here's why. Compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. This means your investments can snowball over time. Time in the market. The longer you stay invested, the more likely you are to weather market fluctuations and reap the rewards of long-term growth. Goal setting. Investing early can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, whether it's buying a home, funding your retirement, or starting a business. Tips for young investors. If you're under 18 and can't open a Raiz account yet, don't worry. There are still ways to start building your financial knowledge and habits. Learn about personal finance, read books, watch videos, or take online courses to understand basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing. Set financial goals, decide what you want to achieve with your money, and create a plan to reach those goals. Get involved in financial education. Many schools and communities offer financial literacy programs that can help you develop essential money skills. So, there you have it. The age requirement for a Raiz account varies depending on your location, but generally, you need to be 18 years old or older. While it might seem like you have to wait a bit longer to start investing, there are plenty of ways to prepare and learn about personal finance before you reach that age. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.